Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install TeamViewer on Ubuntu 24.04 using the terminal. It's fast, easy, and works perfectly on the latest Ubuntu version. Let's jump right in. First, let's update our system to make sure everything is up to date. Open your terminal and run these commands. Next, we'll download the official TeamViewer package for Linux. Run this command. Now let's install it. Use this command so Ubuntu can also fix any missing dependencies automatically. To launch TeamViewer, either search for it in your application menu or run this command. The first time you open it, accept the license agreement, and then you're ready to connect remotely to other devices. And that's how you install TeamViewer on Ubuntu 24.04 using the terminal. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more Linux guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.